Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the preparation of amines. So here we will discuss 2-3 preparation of amines. The first method of preparation is a reduction of nitro compounds. That means nitro compounds can be reduced to amines. So nitro compounds can be reduced to amines by passing hydrogen gas in the presence of finely divided nickel, palladium or platinum, and also by reduction with a metal in acidic medium. So here we can reduce nitro compounds, or here we are going to see the reaction of nitro compounds with metal in acidic medium. So here the equation is given here. Nitrobenzene, the aromatic nitro compound, is reduced with metal, that is iron. Here iron in acidic medium, that is HCl. You get aromatic primary amine. So here nitro compounds can be reduced to amine, primary amine, on reduction with hydrogen in presence of palladium, nickel or platinum, or in presence or with metal in presence of acidic medium. So nitro compounds can be reduced to amines. Okay, let us see the next method of preparation. It is known as ammonolysis of alkyl halides. We all know alkyl halides are RX. It means alkyl group and halide group both are there. Alkyl halides, RX. Generally we represent RX. So the cleavage of carbon halogen bond by ammonia is known as ammonolysis. The process of cleavage of CX bond, that is carbon halogen bond, by ammonia molecule is known as ammonolysis. The word lysis means breakage or cleavage. Ammonolysis means breakage by ammonia. Ammonia ഉപയോഗിച്ച് കാർബൺ ഹാലോജൻ ബോണ്ടിനെ ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്ത് നമുക്ക് അമീൻ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യാം. ദിസ് മെത്തേഡ് ഓഫ് പ്രിപ്പറേഷൻ ഈസ് നോൺ ആസ് ammonolysis. Okay. So here we have some examples. The first equation is C2H5Cl. On reaction with ammonia you get C2H5NH2. That is chloroethane can be converted to ethylamine on reaction with NH3. The chlorine in that reactant is substituted by NH2 group, that is amino group amine. So you get ethylamine. Again this ethylamine further reacts with C2H5Cl, the same reactant. The same reactant C2H5Cl. You get N-ethylamine, ethanamine, N-ethyl amine. Okay, N-ethyl ethanamine. Okay, and this N-ethyl ethanamine on reaction with the C2H5Cl, you get N-diethyl ethanamine. So in each reaction the halogen is substituted by NH2 group. In first one it was Cl there, and in the first one Cl is replaced by NH2 group, and in second one the H is replaced by C2H5 group. That means in the first one Cl is replaced by NH2, and in second and third H is replaced by C2H5. In first compound you have only one C2H5, and in third one you have two C2H5, and in fourth compound you have three C2H5. Okay, we can see the second equation, that is benzyl chloride, C6H5CH2Cl. On reaction with NH, that is ammonia, you get benzylamine, that is Cl is converted to benzylamine, NH2 group. Clear? Again this NH2 group reacts with two molecules of CH3Cl. The two hydrogen atoms of NH2 is replaced by CH3, and you get NN-dimethyl benzylamine. That means ammonia, by using ammonia you can prepare amines on reaction with the alkyl halide. Okay. The next method is a reduction of nitriles. The next reaction is reduction of nitriles. Nitriles are cyanides, that is CN group. Nitriles on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, that is LiAlH4, or catalytic hydrogenation produce primary amines. That means lithium aluminum hydride ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് സയനൈഡിനെ നൈട്രൈൽസിനെ അമിനോ ഗ്രൂപ്പാക്കി മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റും. And this reaction is used for ascent of amine series. That means amine സീരീസിലെ കാർബണിൻ്റെ എണ്ണം കൂട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് ഈ റിയാക്ഷൻ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫോർ പ്രിപ്പറേഷൻ ഓഫ് അമീൻസ് കണ്ടെയ്നിങ് 1 കാർബൺ ആറ്റം മോർ ദാൻ ദി സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് അമീൻ. സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് അമീനിലേക്കാളും കൂടുതൽ കാർബൺ ആറ്റം ഉണ്ടാക്കുവാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് ഈ നൈട്രൈൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് വെച്ച് നമ്മൾ റിഡക്ഷൻ നടത്തുന്നത്. സോ നൈട്രൈൽസ് ഓൺ റിഡക്ഷൻ വിത്ത് LiAlH4 or catalytic hydrogenation, that means H2 in presence of platinum or palladium, you get amine. So here there is an equation given there, RCN, that is cyanide group, on reduction with hydrogen in presence of platinum, you get RCH2NH2. Clear? Okay, that means nitriles can be reduced to amines on reduction with hydrogen with any metals like platinum or palladium, or reduction with LiAlH4, that is lithium aluminum hydride. So nitriles can be reduced to amines. The next method of preparation is reduction of amides. Amides are CONH2 group. The functional group of amide is CONH2 group. So amides can be converted to amines on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. So the amides on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride yield amines. അതായത് അമൈഡ് ഗ്രൂപ്പിനെ CONH2 ഗ്രൂപ്പുള്ള കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സിനെ ലിഥിയം അലുമിനിയം ഹൈഡ്രൈഡ് വെച്ച് നമുക്ക് എന്താക്കി മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റും? അമൈഡ്സ് ആക്കി മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റും. സോ ദ അമൈഡ്സ് ഓൺ റിഡക്ഷൻ വിത്ത് lithium aluminum hydride yield amines. So here one equation is given there, RCONH2, that is an amide. It's general equation, R means alkyl group, RCONH2 on reduction with LiAlH4 in presence of ether and hydrolysis. Okay, you will get amine RCH2NH2. That means the reduction of amides. Amides can be reduced to amines. So here we have seen for preparation of amines. That means first one, a reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds can be reduced to amides. Second one, ammonolysis. Ammonolysis is the breakage or cleavage of carbon halogen bond by ammonia. In that way you can prepare amines. The third one is reduction of nitriles. That means reduction of cyanides. Cyanides can be reduced to amines on reduction with the lithium aluminum hydride or in presence of platinum or palladium. And the last method today we have discussed was a reduction of amides. Amides can be reduced with lithium aluminum hydride yield amines, and that method of preparation from nitrile is very important. That reaction is used to ascend the amine series. That means it is used to increase the number of carbon atom in amine group. So that method of preparation is little more important among these. So that is all about the preparation. Okay, that is all about today's class. Thank you.